Hello, and welcome back to the channel. So I figured I would just do a quick little update video, a little post Miatas at the Gap video, and I figured I'd do it where the magic happens during the week at my office. So yeah, what a great weekend. I'm recording this about a weekend. Definitely been very busy getting caught up with orders and all that good stuff. But yeah, I definitely want to recap on a couple of things that went on through the week, such as Miatas the Gap. We hosted a Hot Boys in the Heat meet on, I believe, Friday. I've got some nice, just Meta Ray-Ban glasses footage of that, as well as some photos that I figured I'd share with you in this video as well. So that was a pretty cool meet, and I really haven't had a chance to put together any posts regarding that, but the booth went very well on Friday and Saturday. I had such a good time meeting and seeing so many of you. Shout out to one person that mentioned the videos of rapping Ryan Sowers NC. He is an employee at 9 Lives Racing who recently wrapped his NC in orange color. And I did happen to have a chance to go down there and check that out. Great job, bro. You did a really good job installing that. The wrap looks great. So I'm definitely glad to hear that my videos are out there helping people install wraps and other various things with Miatas and cars. So that definitely warms my heart and keeps me going. But yeah, that all went pretty well. So next on the agenda, my next video coming out will be of Nick Hahn's FL5 Type R Civic and the Red Bull livery that I did an install on. Did this probably about 2 or 3 weeks now, and I just have not had a chance to edit this video yet, but that is done. I will put a picture of it here, and oh man, it came out amazing. He's been taken out all to all the local shows and whatnot. Has definitely been a grabbing attention. The car itself, man, he's been putting so much parts and time into this, and he actually just picked up a new Nissan Z as well. That was supposed to be a daily, and now is turning into a complete Z1 build. But more to come on that, and might be doing something on that later as well. That'd be pretty sweet. But let's see, next project coming in. Well, unfortunately, a project going out is my Porsche 944. I don't have room for it, unfortunately. I picked up this Ginetta project here that we talked a bit about last time. That is coming in a bit over a week, so I need to get the Porsche finished running. I actually took it out, and the fuel pump went to shit on me. Turns out I didn't empty out all the bad gas in the car, so now I get to drain it again. I have buckets worth of freaking fuel in my garage and on the floor of my garage, but the shifter install I did on that, I didn't really have a chance to video either, so slowly losing motivation on that project was, well, it sucks. I really want to keep it and enjoy it, and I don't have room for it at the moment. But the Ginetta project coming in, absolutely stoked. The print is in, the wrap vinyl is in, we're all ready to go. He is taking it to Road Atlanta this weekend to go beat on it a bit and then bringing it on down here. So that should be super cool. Lots of great projects coming up. I hope you all stick around to enjoy. Of course, like, subscribe, and all that great crap. This is me, man. Like, this is my projects that I work on here at Spinnywhoosh. I really don't talk about too much of the actual business on this channel, and maybe I should because it's what I do, but wrap installation projects as well as other Miata goodies and swag and events. I currently don't own a Miata, but I think I'll always be a Miata guy. Yeah. I just realized I'm starting to ramble on with no real point to this video, but those are things that are going on. I definitely hope that you stick around and enjoy these next few weeks of projects coming up. And stay tuned for Nick Hahn's FL5 Red Bull livery that I also have available on the site as well. And yeah, Yeah, that should do as well. I have some exciting projects coming up and hope to have some new products up on the site, some new designs and graphics and all that good stuff. But in the meantime, I'll see you in the next video, and I thank you so much for watching. I absolutely appreciate it. So I'll see you.